10 years. That's how long the bloody Trojan War lasted. 10 long years of bronze blades, burning towers, and unimaginable loss. But when the great city of Troy finally fell to ashes, but man could not return home. Odysseus was cursed by the rage of Poseidon, dipped on the seas with a desperate crew. But cunning wisdom was his greatest weapon. But he escaped the cave, only to face a divine wrath through mystical waters to an enchanted shore. Men turned to beasts by the enchantress Circe, protected by gods with a sacred herb. He defeats her spell and saved his men. A journey to the underworld to seek the blind prophet. Odysseus foretells his true destiny. Armed with prophecy, he sails forward, facing hypnotic voices of the deadly sirens, through monstrous waters and terrifying monsters. Sacrilege on holy ground brings divine wrath. All lives lost, only he survives, trapped in paradise by the nymph Calypso. Trapped. Gods decree freedom. He builds his raft. Poseidon strikes with rage, sinking his fragile craft. Saved by divine grace, he reaches Sharia, rescued by Nausicaa, in the land of Phaeacians. A magic ship sets sail to take him home at last. He wakes on Ithaca, unaware he is finally home. Athena disguises him to reclaim his royal kingdom. The king returns in secret, ready to reclaim his throne. Old Argus recognizes him and dies in peace at last. Wisdom weaves the trap. Athena guides the final trial. The trial of the bow begins, but no suitor can bend it. The beggar strings the bow with effortless divine grace. The arrow flies true through every single axe head. He strips away the rags and stands revealed as the king. Justice falls upon them, and Ithaca is purified. Penelope knows her king by the secret of their bed. The long journey ends, and the legend lives forever. Divine peace descends, and Athena seals the eternal covenant.
Presents. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe and follow for more magical English podcasts.